This video will cover how to calculate final grades based on grades from two different semesters or marking periods. So for my setup here, I have marking period 1 and marking period 2. And I've also created a third one, which I call final grades, because you can actually save your final grades as a PDF or actually have it added into the app as a class with the final grades there. So what I'll do is you can be on either marking period and tap on the class icons at the top, and you're going to select the final grades, which is the third one down there. And this will load the final grade screen. What it'll do is it'll look for the same class, which I had chemistry selected, by name in all the marking periods. So you can see in marking period 1 and 2, it found the class chemistry. If for some reason you want to change classes, like physics, you can go and manually select it if for some reason the classes have different names. And then you're going to enable the switches on the right. So I'm going to have for marking period 1 and 2 enabled. And by default, it's equally weighted, the two marking periods. If for some reason you want to modify that, you could change it to 30, 40, sorry, 30, 70% or 60, 40, whatever you want. And then when you're ready, tap the Generate Final Grades button. And you have three options here. You have the PDF, the CSV export, and lastly, save to the new class. So first, I'll choose PDF. And you can see here, now we have the student names, you have the final grade, and you have the individual marking period grades there. So you have all that data, and you can save the PDF, email to yourself, but you also have the option of generating and saving to one of the marking periods. So I'm going to save this to the new marking period final grades. That way they're in a separate semester. And now I can exit, and I will select on the top left final grades. And here you'll see, here's the chemistry class. And what you'll have is, for each assignment there now is the marking period grade. So you see you'll have marking period 1 and 2, and you'll have the grades there. And then the final grade for each student in the column there is represented by the final grade right there. And you can easily open up and go ahead and see the individual marking period grades there. So there's a number of options, but when it comes to the end of the year, if you end up wanting to generate final grades from multiple semesters, this is an easy way that you can do it. Enjoy. Thank you.